Yeah, not so much the concrete cows of Milton Keynes, but the plastic cows of Brighton. Well, greetings folks, and welcome back to Britain for me. Another video here. Today, as you've seen on the previous graphics, it is Brighton. Supposed to be last weekend. Unfortunately, I didn't make it far out of bed until gone 10. So, and here we have the Pinfari Turbo. ZL42 model, exactly the same as the one at Southport. I'd say this is slightly better. It is a bit rough, bit of a rough one, but hey, it's a coaster credit after all. So yeah. And in Pier tradition, you've got to have a Revy spinning coaster, Revachon. I could actually say that out of the numerous ones that I've done now, this is probably my favourite. The spin on them cars is quite intense. You can actually see that one, that is giving it some. The coaster I think is better than the one on South Pier, to be honest with you, at Blackpool. But yeah, and then just over there you've got the well, it ain't working, the booster. Not very boosting today, it's down for maintenance. Anyway, glad to say I have got a top dude on this one today, Dan. Leg 1 of 3 this week, more about that later, but yeah, that's your Revachon spinning car. Very, very good ride. Get down here and ride. Get yourself on it. And also you've got Wild River, the traditional Revachon travelling log flume. So you've got the double dip there, then the larger drop just a bit further round. I have to say, 2 rides on that, it was actually more of a soaker going through the double dip than the larger drop. But yeah, traditional stuff really. I'll just pan round there. There you've got Turbo, Crazy Mouse, the Revachon, and the Unop Booster. Yeah, you've got the jumping frog type ride, very similar sort of thing to Techno Jump at Fantasy Island, that sort of thing. I was going to show you the ghosty then, but we'll just get that. There you go, Horror Hotel, the ghost train. It was alright, could do a bit more theming in there, but not the worst ghost train I've ever done, and certainly not the best. And hashtag Pinfari perfection. Yeah, you've also got a football challenge. Anybody who wants to give it a go, say get yourself down to Brighton Pier. I'm going to start saying it on my videos, get yourselves down to these piers. They're absolutely fantastic. I mean, everything were more or less walk on earlier. There's been a bit of queuing now, but sorry, I was just gonna. But yeah, instead of queuing hours for rides at Alton Towers and Chessington, get yourself down to these piers and explore. They're good fun, really are good fun. Yeah, you've also got a Ratios bar on the pier. We're definitely popping in here for a couple of pints later on. Nice little bar. So this is your price list. For wristbands, if you buy them in advance, it is £17.50 the day before you visit, or you can get one on the day for £22.50. But if you don't fancy a ride wristbands, which I strongly advise getting, then they're your prices. And as you can see, you've got turbo coaster. I mean, we've had 2 goes on that, and that's £10 straight away. We've done obviously a few of the flats, and but they can say like a pay card, like an Oyster card, and it's obviously price per ride. Then comes off your card. Yeah, and the legendary twist ride, the twister ride. Not bad. Not bad at all. Here we go. And as you can see, it's £4.50 a person. I strongly recommend anybody who's coming down here for a few hours to get the wristband, even if you get it on the day, £22.50. You can soon get that back in an hour if you get on all the rides. So yeah, make sure you do that. So just over there you've got the Dodgems Cred crazy coaster. That's where I'm going to wrap up the vlog very shortly. So rounding things off then, down at the Revachon spinning car coaster. As I said, very good. Get yourself on it if you're ever down here. So forthcoming videos then, next week it will be a Merlin Park double. So I'll have Dan with me on both of them. Folk Park on Thursday and Alton Towers on Friday. Hopefully, maybe Josh Santos might be able to join us as well. Be great if he could. 2 of the best people you could wish to be friends with. And then it's Flamingo Land. That's in 3 weeks' time. There'll be bits and bobs in between. Anyway, I'm going to close it off. And I will see you at Folk Park on Thursday. I'm from a very sunny and quite busy now Brighton Palace Pier. It is 2:30 for now.